और इसमें जूना अखाड़ा, क्योंकि नाम से ही स्पष्ट होता है, जूना यानी पुराने से भी संदर्भ हम लगाते हैं, जूनागढ़ से भी इसको जोड़ा जाता है। बहुत सारे मायने निकाले जाते हैं, लेकिन इनका अपना महत्व है। कुंभ मेला is something more than merely a religious extravaganza of millions of worshippers who descend upon the grounds to purify themselves. An example of influence, spirituality and age-old tradition comes from the hordes of seers and saintly men representing hundreds of distinct akhadas engaged in this momentous festival. Juna Akhada was established in the 16th century and is one of the oldest and most respected akhadas in the Kumbh Mela tradition. It will be a time of great importance and participation to Kumbh Mela 2025 as old traditions mix up with modern festival. The origin and historical legacy of Juna Akhada is very old, established in 16th century. The history of Juna Akhada speaks of spirituality and devotions. It was founded in 16th century. The role of Juna Akhada in the course of Hinduism has been great, particularly during the Kumbh Mela, since they are famous for their commitment and strong faith. It has expanded over the ages to become an extremely powerful stronghold of spiritual influence in the Hindu world.